All right, in participation, these are the top 5 categories that they had. And like I say, when I see these things, I'm always looking for surprises. You know, what's interesting to me? Now, how many of y'all are vegetable gardeners? Okay, see there, almost everybody I know is a vegetable garden. And I think the reason that is because vegetable gardeners tend to flock together. You know, I guess flower gardeners flock together. I guess the guys with the perfect lawns flock together. I don't know how that works because everybody I know is a vegetable garden. So imagine how shocked I was to see that this was in the Big Four. This was the lowest participation of all of them. That truly was shocking to me. So the top one, lawn care. That makes sense, okay? I mean, the average gardener, I didn't put this out, but they're also suburban. You know, so they have a yard, they have to take care of it, HOAs and all of that. I was very much surprised that flower gardening ranked above vegetable gardening. But, you know, when I think back of it and I look at my blog, I probably write more articles about flower gardening than I do vegetable gardening. There's some perception going on. I don't know what it is, but I don't think people think of flower gardening as real gardening. I don't know. But anyway, more people are doing flower gardening. The other one that was very interesting to me was houseplants. Okay? I don't grow houseplants. I've never had a question on the blog about houseplants. But somebody is buying and taking care of houseplants. I mean, a full third of the people. So then finally, the lowest of the Big Four was vegetable garden. 32 million people reported that they participate in it. That's 27% of the people that participated in the survey. Okay, top garden activities by dollars. Okay, landscape, by far and away. And when they have landscape, again, they had like 20 categories of things that could be in there. That could be pest control. That could, you know, they had it down to insect control, you know, slug control, weed control, disease control, blah, blah, blah. So there are a lot of things grouped into that. But they spent $206 perennials, buying perennials, a new, you know, shrub for the shrub that died. Lawn care, $155 a year. That honestly surprised me. I mean, we mow a lot at our house. I bet we spend more than $155 on gas on the riding lawnmower. That seems kind of cheap to me. Tree care, this was another one that was very interesting to me, you know. I love trees, but I kind of have a hands-off approach to them, you know. You plant them, you feed them a little bit, you water them, and, you know, cross yourself that God doesn't hit them with a bolt of lightning, you know. I mean, that's kind of my approach to trees. But a lot of people, that is the third highest category of spending per garden activity. Finally, this one right here just completely blows my mind. People spend more money on their flower garden than their vegetable garden. I don't even know how that's possible. I mean, I'm trying to learn, you know. I mean, that's why we're here and we're having these chats. But I mean, like, I don't know if any of y'all read the blog, but my latest blog post is I just spent how much? $150 on green beans, okay? Now, when I say I spent $150 on green beans, now I want you to understand gardening is not a way to grow cheap food. If anybody tells you that, they're nuts, okay? Gardening is not a cheap way to grow food. But we have a rabbit problem at my house, and we have a rabbit lover at my house, okay? And so she will not let the redneck in me dispose of the bunnies. So I can stay married. I just bought $155 of these little fiberglass hoops that I can wire together and put row cover and all to grow green beans, okay? So when they say that people spend $57 on their vegetable garden, I don't know who these people are. I don't know what they're doing. I mean, they're buying like 6 packs of seeds and that's it. But anyway, this is averages across the country. I understand that.